Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is ready. Enable mobile data and confirm your plan permits hotspot use. Once done, open Settings and go to Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Turn it on. Make note of the network name and default password shown on screen. Change the password if it's weak so strangers cannot join. While you do this, keep your phone near the device you'll tether to. Proximity improves initial connection reliability and reduces setup time. You now connect the other device. Open Wi-Fi settings, find the hotspot SSID you set, and enter the password exactly as shown, case matters. Make sure security is WPA2 or WPA3 for best encryption. If available, change from an open network. If Wi-Fi fails, plug the phone into the computer with a USB cable and enable USB tethering, or pair via Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth tethering. These methods can be more stable and reduce Wi-Fi. Once connected, verify internet by loading a web page or performing a quick speed check. This confirms DNS and routing are working. Make sure you monitor data usage to avoid overages and set an automatic timeout if your phone supports it. If the connection fails, restart the hotspot, toggle airplane mode for a refresh, or reboot both devices. If problems persist, update the phone's OS and carrier settings. Often fixes the underlying tethering bugs and restores reliable access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.